What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy KaoticKiccs, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, and I'm back with another video, man. As you can tell from the thumbnail, you already know what sneaker we are discussing today, the Air Jordan 13 Starfish, man. But listen, before we get into the video, we are on the road to 10K by the end of the year, 2K by the end of February, man. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and tap the subscribe button. Ring the notification bell so that you never miss whenever your boy uploads a new video, as well as like and share the video so that more people could come over here and check out the dope reviews and raffles your boy be doing here on this channel, man. You dig what I'm saying? You can also follow me on my social media. It is all linked down in the description below, as well as promo codes you can use to cop yourself bags and shoe cleaner for the sneakers that you cop, bro, on a monthly, or maybe some of y'all cop on a daily basis. You feel what I'm saying? But enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into the video, man. We are here to discuss the Air Jordan 13 Starfish, aka Shattered Backboard 13. You know what I'm saying? They gave it that name due to it having that Starfish colorway. We already know how the Air Jordan 1s go, and I think they done that just to bring up the hype on this sneaker. But as for myself, I feel like it's just a regular 13, man. That Starfish colorway scheme that they threw on it did not do it for me. But with that being said, it might have done that for some of y'all. But let's go ahead and get into the label, colorway, and all that good stuff with this here. And the label reads Air Jordan 13 Retro. Colorway is white, Starfish black. This is a size 10 personal pair, and these things did retail for $190, man. You know what I'm saying? Give you a good look at that right quick. As you can see, we do get the OG 13 box with a red jump man in the center of that. Open up the lid. I don't see a stamp in the lid. We got regular paper off in here, and my receipt straight from Finish Line, man. Bam! Now we have it, man. The Air Jordan 13 Starfish, bro. Straight out the gate, I'm gonna tell you, bro, the colorway on this thing is not bad. You know what I'm saying? Even the leather is butter on here as well. But at the end of the day, bro, do you actually need it in your collection? I do think that this would have been a dope Halloween sneaker if they had waited to drop this around Halloween time. I feel like it probably would have gave it that hype that it was looking for. Just because you throw the name Starfish don't mean that everybody gonna go out and purchase it, man. But who knows, bro? A few people probably did want to get this sneaker. But as for myself, I feel like this sneaker here has the potential of being something better if it had been dropped later on in the year, bro. But let's go ahead and get into the review of it, man. You can see that you do get hits of white, orange. You got that black carbon fiber down there, and you also got that tiger eye or hologram with the Jordan at the bottom of the sneaker. You got the orange Starfish colorway around the midsole of the sneaker, and you do get that white around the toe and the side panel on both sides of the sneaker. You got Starfish color or orange Jumpman on the tongue. You got regular laces. You do get Jordan here at the bottom where the laces first begin. You get the Roman numeral 13 on here as well, man. Shoe tree. See, it does come with 10 and 10.5 on there, man, and you do get that same design. I think the Air Jordan 1 Vogue Gold came with this same design on the shoe tree too, bro. That came out this year. Maybe it's something new that they doing with the shoe trees. As for the insole, you do get an orange insole with the black Jumpman off in there. Behind the tongue, you got the tag, and the production date on this thing says 6/16/20, 09/09/20. You do get the QR code and all that behind the tongue, man. Give you another look at that right quick. You know what I'm saying? Also, you get the 23 hologram on the side, man. And bro, black sock liner. And bro, like I said, this isn't a bad sneaker, but I feel like they just dropped it at the wrong time of the year, bro. They could have waited till around, you know, that Halloween time, bro. Just give me Halloween type theme when it comes to look at this sneaker right here. Leather dope, laces straight, you know, just the wrong time of the year, man. But with that being said, bro, y'all let me know down there in the comment section how you feel about it. Did you go after it on the sneakers app, bro? Did you take W's on raffles or whatnot and all that good stuff? But till next time, bro, it's your boy KaoticKiccs, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, man. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.